Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Shreya. If you're new here, I hope that you watched some of my previous videos on this channel, and if you like them, please do subscribe to this channel. It would mean a lot. In today's video, we are trying two types of textured art. Now there's this one kind which became really famous. It kind of went viral. A lot of people were trying it out, and this looks really rich and really minimal, so I really wanted to try this out at home. Second one would be this fabric texture art. This was not really famous, but I think that it looks really pretty, so I'm going to try that one out too with you guys. I'm really keeping my fingers crossed that they look good because I have like pretty high expectations. So let's start. So I saw a lot of YouTube tutorials for this textured art, but in most of the videos they use this product called joint compound, which is like pretty expensive in India. Look, this is 3 pound ka dabba and it costs around 4,000 bucks. I also thought that I could use this texture paste from Itsy Bitsy, but I think that this would not be enough for our canvas. So I'm going to use this Birla putty. I have 1 kg pack and it costed me around 41 bucks. I'm going to mix it with some glue and see if that works. This is again an experiment that I'm doing. I'm not sure if it will work, but let's try it together.
As you saw, I took out some wall putty and mixed it with Fevicol. I kept adding water until I got the paste-like consistency. Now you take your canvas and start applying the paste. This will get messy, but it's so much fun to do. There is no such pattern I'm following here, just doing some random stuff until I like the final look. Now I took a comb, a thin tooth comb, and made a design on the paste. I was really happy with the art now, so I let it dry, and when it was completely dried out, I thought it looked a little plain. So I kind of wanted to add some sort of detailing here. I took these gold leaves, ये Itsy Bitsy से लिया था मैंने. To apply these, I put some regular Fevicol on the canvas with the help of a thin brush, and I'm applying it on a very small area and then sticking the gold leaf on it, removing the extras with the brush again. I just kept repeating it at random places, and that's all. I loved how it turned out, honestly. It adds a very interesting and minimal element in the room wherever you decide to put it in.
Was lying with me since a long time, and I thought that I should better make use of it. It's a pretty thin plywood. It's actually a leftover one. इसका मैंने ऐसे round shape कटवा के उससे table बनवाई थी. So what I'm planning to do with this is I am thinking to use it as a canvas, do some kind of textured art on this, and then hang it on the wall. And to hang it on the wall, मैंने इसको carpenter को दिया था ऐसे छोटे-छोटे से 2 clamps लगाने के लिए. So first thing first, I am going to give it a coat of primer, wall primer that I already have in my collection. You'll notice that I have not really focused much on the paint. बहुत ही ऊपर से मैंने paint कर दिया है because इसके ऊपर एक और बार एक coat आएगा paint का. Now what we're going to do is we are going to create a texture on it, And to create that texture, I am going to use this very old dupatta. This is also going to be the very first time I am doing this texture painting, and मैंने ज़्यादा research भी नहीं किया है कि इसको कैसे करते हैं and all. So I am just going to wing it, and अगर ये अच्छे से बन जाता है तो of course I'm going to tell you. But the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to coat this whole plywood with a coat of glue. The glue that I'm using here is regular Fevicol.
पूरा glue लगाने के बाद I put the dupatta on it. Here I am making creases on the cloth. थोड़ी सलवटें बनानी है so that it looks like a texture. When I was happy with the texture, I started to apply glue again on the sides of the creases.
Later, and I wanted to show you this. So as you can see, मैंने यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे फेविकॉल लगाया था, and ये वाला जो बीच वाला एरिया है इसको छोड़ दिया था. So now it has hardened up, and ये वाला जो एरिया है ये लूज रह गया है, which is what we wanted. We wanted कि ये क्रीज ऐसे ही रह जाए so that पूरा टेक्सचर दिखे.
After this was all dried up, I flipped it and tried to staple the rest of the cloth from the back, but my stapler wasn't working, so I decided to stick the cloth with Fevicol on the back side as well. Now you can spray paint the whole thing with any color of your choice. I chose the basic white color here, and this is how it turned out. I know that this is not for everyone, but I personally love the look of it.
So I really hope that you liked today's video, and if you did, please click that like button and do follow me on Instagram. My Insta handle is given on the screen, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.